And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add music to your videos. We've got a simple clip here, but no audio. You can see that the audio indicators are great. You have the option to use the audio function right here. We've got a couple of categories here. For brand music, you have to be signed in to CapCut, and there are also some paid options. You can use TikTok, but you have to be signed in with your TikTok account. So for the most part, you want to stay with the music category, and there's an inbuilt library of audio. For example, for vlogging, travel, pop, whatever you need. You can also type in artist or song name up here. Just pick one of these, left click and drag them into your timeline. It'll open an audio channel, so in our case directly below our video clip. A second option is to import your own. So I have a simple audio clip right here. I want to use it. So I switch to media and then I drag and drop it into the box. And now I can drag this into the timeline and it'll open an audio channel once more. You can treat this just like a video clip. So use, for example, the split tool or adjust it right here. You can fade it in, fade it out, make it longer, shorter. So it behaves like a video clip in your timeline. You may have asked yourself, what about this audio library? Is it actually free? And it is. According to CapCut, this is royalty-free music, so you're not going to run into any problems when it comes to copyright strikes. But be aware right here in the FAQ, if there is a third-party platform music right here, you can see it. Please note that this is going to be muted. So this is the info on the official CapCut homepage, therefore it should be accurate. But the stuff that's pre-installed right here, this is definitely royalty free and you can use that. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.